Me? Do something? I am doing something. I'm out in the harsh afternoon sunlight with loud traffic filming myself. What are you doing? So I'm here making a YouTube video again today. I haven't been able to pull one off each and every day or each and every week like I wanted to originally. It's been a lot harder than I would have thought, but I'm out here, I'm doing it. It's come to the point where it feels like I don't have any more ideas. I'm running out of ideas and it's getting kind of hard. It's funny because I'm making a video right now just about those very things. I'm trying to make a video where I can show people you don't need all kinds of fancy stuff, all kinds of gadgets, new equipment. All you need is a good old ingenuity, creativity, and here I am, sitting around, waiting for stuff to happen. Like I said I would in my next video. Right now I'm in the historic Galt, Cambridge, walking up behind Galt Collegiate Institute. Yeah, it's quite a hike up these stairs. So I think one of the main things you got to try to remember when you're making your videos is to... Wait, am I in frame? Am I frame good? I'm going to start that over. Oh, you know what? I should be coming from this way. It's the whole video I've been going that way. Stop. Yeah, can anyone hear me over this mask? I'm going to try that again. No, I'm going to stay here and you're going to... If I could think of anything else to say, now would be a good time to say it. As I look out onto the water and reflect, trying to be creative, trying really hard to rack my brain and think of an idea that no one's thought of before. And then I start feeling like a failure because that's a super hard thing to do. That's why I think telling your own story is important. Just trying to find your own story. It's recording, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Every now and then I like to check and see if it's recording. I like to physically see the red dot recording on the camera. These are things I think about as I talk aimlessly while staring out into the water as beautiful white swans float by in the middle of winter. Well, technically it's not winter, I guess. But I digress about making videos and ideas for other videos, what kind of videos you can make with your ideas for videos without copying anybody else's ideas for videos, and using the equipment that you have without going nuts on expensive crap that you don't need. Sometimes I just feel like I need a good kick in the butt to get out here and start making videos. I feel really lonely sometimes. I feel like it's hard to keep going. It's hard to think of ideas without inspiration from people close to you. And during this pandemic, it's been awfully hard because we don't get to go out anywhere or hang out with a lot of people we're used to. And I already had a bit of a problem with social anxiety and stuff, and it actually becomes a little worse without people to hang out with. And I think that kind of reflects in my video making as well. It's hard to connect with people socially, even on video, without, especially when there's nobody around you to inspire you or to make you feel like you're socially worthwhile, perhaps. I'm not sure how to best explain it. So I think in conclusion, I'm just gonna stop it right here. This is just a quick little vlog, walking around on the Grand River today and taking some shots, nice B-roll and stuff like that with my son. It's a beautiful day on December. It's about 2 or 3 degrees out. And I'm gonna try to get this up tonight. Let you guys see what the hell is going on. What the heck is going on. What the non-swear word thing is going on. I love y'all. Peace. Peace. yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. Nice little video. Oh, this sucks. Jeez. How come you're sucking so bad?